You're just waiting for him to come behind you and catch you and freeze you alive with his breath. Because he's a creep. A creepy ice cream man with a purple nose and a ginormous mouth. Seriously, he's terrified. Open the door. Hey YouTube, we're gonna play a game called Ice Cream 2. Now, what this game is, it's all about like I saw it on YouTube. I watched a lot of YouTube. I didn't know were gonna be some annoying ads in this. Okay, this is okay. But basically, what this game is, you're trying to save some kind of like kid who's been kidnapped by this ice cream man named Rod. Now, I know the ice cream man's name. His name is Rod. Alright, normal mode. Okay, Rod walks to the... Okay, Rod hears some noises. You have 3 attempts. How about hard? Rod walks quickly. Okay, Rod walks here. Rod hears everything. You have 3 attempts. Okay, so... graphics quality, low or high. Okay, let's just play hard. I want to see how insane hard it would be. Alright, I'm so surprised there's no easy mode. There's like a ghost mode. No idea what's ghost mode. Okay, Ice Cream 2, the day after. Hey, take a look by sliding a finger on the screen. Alright. Now look at the where I press the interact button. Oh, okay, and hey, okay, here's our a girl, Liz.
Hi, Jay! Are you coming to play?
Oh god, okay, don't. Alright. Okay, run away. He's gonna catch you. He's gonna. Oh no! I see him! I see him! I see him! Oh. It's like, get in here, you little bastard! Alright, grab the bed, blanket. I already have it. Now let's place it in the window. I don't know why I'm here using the door. Maybe I'm just gonna do it the easier way. I have no idea. Okay, be careful. Alright. Alright, what's happened?
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the jump
my. Okay, this guy is very creepy as hell. Oh, and oh god, the way he moves. Man, this guy is terrifying. Alright. He has a ginormous mouth and a purple nose. Alright. Alright, what? He dropped the map. I have no idea. What is the map? Oh, there it is. Okay. So, grab it. There you go. Now, open the door. Oh my god! Not gonna lie, but that scared the crap out of me. I didn't even see it there.
Hello again.
Oh my
dumbbell.
god! Alright. No. Oh, he's over there. Okay. I need to go back. Nope. Oh my god! Dude. Alright, play it cool, please. Please. I'm in the door. I'm in the place. You can't get in here. Oh my god! Oh my. What the hell? Alright. Okay, I see him there. Guess I've been supposed to wait. Oh god. Look at him! Uh-oh. Alright. Okay. Feels like he's leaving. For some fact, I didn't see him coming. Alright, let's go for it. Run, 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 run. Okay. Actually, he won't see me here. I think. Freaking out, alright. Oh my god! Dude, can I? Okay, I don't think he can get us here. Okay, I wasted the... Oh, I see him. No! Yeah, you can't get us! You can't get us! How are you gonna get us out? Alright. Where is the freaking... Okay, I don't know where's the map now. Shoot! Could have run away from him. Oh god! Oh! Huh? Oh my god, you little bugger. Okay. The map was oh, the map is over here. Oh my god. You god. Hide, quick. Okay, I finally did it. It took me forever. Okay, great. Now you know the road to. Choose the next stop. Okay, stall, scenic circus. Oh, let's go to the circus. Let's get into the circus. All right. Okay, this is okay. All right. Circus. Next stop, circus. What's this? All right. I don't know. Understand what that is. That's probably some kind of cutscene. But I had to skip it because it looks too weird. So if you want to see that full cutscene for yourself, go watch someone else's video. It's easier. Okay. I have no idea what he is.
Help me out of here.
Jay.
Please.
Okay. I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out already because I have no idea where he is. I'm just literally freaking out. Oh, he's over there. Okay. I'm literally freaking out because you're just waiting for him to come behind you and catch you and freeze you alive with his breath. Because he's a creep. A creepy ice cream man with a purple nose and a ginormous mouth. Seriously, he's terrified. Oh. Okay, ooh, what's in here? Alright, we're picking up Sabine. You didn't find anything interesting. Okay. Oh my god, how the hell do you know I was there? Shoot. Okay. Alright. Maybe it's because I'm playing the game on hard mode and he's very crazy. Okay, you found a special pass. Alright. Let's get in here. Alright, okay. Hey, welcome, Jay. Welcome to back to the secret railer. Okay, what's this?
Welcome to the secret
Okay,
lair.
his name is Charlie.
I'm the best player in the world. No one will exceed my record.
Alright, Charlie, but I heard that complaint used to call him Carlevin, and his name's Charlie. But I'm still gonna call him Charlie because he is Charlie. Okay, what's this? Mike.
What's up, Jay?
What's up, Jay?
I have a rare piece that I found out there. Surely you know what to do with it. If you bring me something pretty, I'll give it to you.
Alright. What's this? An arcade machine.
Oh!
Okay, alright, that's kinda weird. Okay. So, I can't open this. Oh, freaks. Okay. Okay, open the door. Alright, let's see what's in their maps, huh? Alright, we're going to the stall. So what's in the stall?
Hello.
Oh my god! Open the door. Up, hide. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. Okay, if you go and clear. Oh! Oh, did you see him? Oh, that was scary. Alright. Okay. Anything in drawers? Toolbox? Oh, some pliers. How do I get the pliers? Pliers. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Am I supposed to open them? Pliers? I don't know. Okay. Okay, I don't know how did you do that? Uh-oh.
I'm going to kill some kids.
Oh my god! Dude. Please. Oh, nope. Really? Okay, I've been captured. What the hell is going on here? I just broke out a freezer. Okay. Oh, I can't get out. Oh, shoot. Okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I have the... Oh, there's the pliers. So am I supposed to... No idea what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna end this video here. Alright, looks like guys, I need your help how to beat this game. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video here. If you have any ideas, tell me what ideas you have. I should play more of this game. This game is fun as hell. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.